Hello. I'd like to send this package, please.
Of course. Where would you like to send it?
I'd like to send it to New York.
Okay. Is it going to a home address or a business address?
A home address.
Great. Please put the package on the scale.
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you. It weighs about 2 kilograms.
Okay. How much will it cost?
That depends on the delivery service.
What options do you have?
We have standard delivery and express delivery.
What's the difference?
Standard delivery takes about 5 to 7 business days.
And express delivery?
Express delivery takes 2 to 3 business days.
How much is standard delivery?
It's $12.
And express?
It's $20.
I'll choose standard delivery.
No problem. What's inside the package?
Some clothes and a book.
Okay. Is there anything fragile inside?
No, nothing fragile.
Great. Please write the receiver's name and address on this form.
Sure.
Please include the zip code as well.
Okay, I'll do that.
Thank you.
Can I track the package?
Yes, you'll receive a tracking number.
Perfect.
Would you like to pay by cash or card?
By card, please.
Please insert your card here.
Done.
Thank you. Here's your receipt.
Is the tracking number on the receipt?
Yes, it's right here at the bottom.
Great. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye. Hello. I sent a package last week, but it hasn't arrived yet.
I'm sorry to hear that. Do you have the tracking number?
Yes, it's on this receipt.
Thank you. Let me check it for you.
Sure.
Okay, I can see the package here.
Where is it now?
It's currently at the local distribution center.
Is there a problem?
It looks like there was a small delay because of bad weather.
Oh, I see. When should it arrive?
It should arrive tomorrow or the day after.
Okay, that's good. Can I check the package myself online?
Yes, go to our website and enter your tracking number.
Will it show me where the package is?
Yes, you'll see the latest delivery updates.
Perfect.
If the package doesn't arrive within 2 days, please contact us again.
Okay, I will. Is there anything else I can help you with? No, that's all. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye. Hello, I'm here to pick up a package, please.
Of course. Do you have your pickup notice with you?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. May I see your ID, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. Let me check the information.
Okay,
Yes, I found your package. I'll get it for you.
great, thank you.
Here it is. Please check your name and address on the label.
Yes, that's my name and address.
Perfect. Please sign here to confirm that you received the package.
Sure, where should I sign?
Right here, please.
Okay, done.
Thank you.
Can I ask when the package arrived?
It arrived yesterday afternoon.
Great, I've been waiting for it.
Yes, it's ready for pickup now.
Is there anything I need to pay?
No, everything has already been paid.
Perfect.
Here's your ID back, and here's your package.
Thank you. Do I need to keep the pickup notice?
No, you don't need it anymore.
Okay. Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.